Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how we can canceling or pausing a Canva Pro subscription. So first, log into your Canva account. Click the gear icon to go to your account settings. And next, select the Billing and Themes tab. And here under subscription, click three dots. And here you will see cancel subscription. And here you can see the differences between free and pro. So if you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, click link in my description. If you want to learn more about Canva, check my new Extensive Canva Master course on udemy.com. See you next time.